Students in animal science can look forward to another industry day presented by SASAS. We're going to find out exactly who they are, and this is more specific, the Northern Branch. I'd like to welcome Karla Zietsman. Karla, yes, first of all, who is SASAS? Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much for having us. So SASAS is the South African Society of Animal Science, and they have the objectives of ensuring that high standards are upheld when it comes to livestock production. And this is not only just in practice, but it also goes to education and research. So the journal that they publish quite often is to really portray the research that's been done, not only locally, but also internationally. And the journal really does well and is regarded as a very good peer-reviewed journal. We have different branches in SASAS that operate within the regions that we are centralized in. So for the Northern Branch, we, I think, are one of the more active branches, and we really have a heart for animal science. And this is where our industry day comes in.
As I mentioned, we will be focusing on your industry day for students, and it's something that's held every year. So what's the purpose of this day?
The purpose of the day is really to provide students, especially final year animal science students, with an opportunity to network with industry. Animal science is a very broad industry because it not only encompasses nutrition, but also genetics, physiology, meat science, wool science, and even pasture science. And on a final year level, the students really need to make a decision. Where will they be going? If they're going to focus postgrad or even entering the workforce, what are the opportunities and what does a job in each sector look like? So the industry day has that purpose, to bring industry to the students and to present to them how every part fits into the bigger picture, and to have them an opportunity to see where their interests are, and maybe if they had an idea of going into one direction, if the jobs that are available will really suit their personalities. And that was why we started this industry day, and initially it was only focused on the final year students of the University of Pretoria.
When is this day?
This year it's on the 31st of August, and we've decided to broaden the scope. So we've invited all the universities in the north to attend this day, to have all their final year students at this very big event. We looked forward to hosting 200 students, and these come from University of Pretoria, Northwest, Limpopo, Venda, as well as UNISA. So it's going to be much bigger. We had to change the venue this year, and we really look forward to give them something new.
What is new?
We are looking to host 17 companies to be part of an exhibition. So the day is divided into two parts. We have a formal program, and we've allowed companies this year to sponsor a speaker. And ideally, each speaker will not only represent that company, but also give information about how that sector fits into the bigger animal science industry. And then we've also invited a guest speaker, which will only be revealed on the day. And the idea is for the speaker to break the trend of agriculture and animal science and to end the day on a high with motivation. Students need to understand that life is tough and challenges will always be there. But it's about how you get back up, how you go forward, and not just stepping up, but you need to step out of your comfort zone, because you need to distinguish yourself from a competitor or applicant for the same position. And then after that formal program, which will have speakers from different companies in the different sectors and the guest speaker, we've also have a big opportunity for networking. So this is where the 17 companies come in. We have a big exhibition space where they will be able to network with the students, and one-on-one time for the students to really ask those questions about what the companies are about and what are the positions available in that industry.
So it's the 31st of August at the University of Pretoria.
Yes.
And where can we get more information?
We've been quite active on Facebook. We find that students really interact on the social media pages. So going to the SASAS Northern Branch Facebook page will provide you with all the information, and our email address is there as well if there are any inquiries.
So just remember the SASAS is SASAS.
Yes, that's right.
No double S's, only SASAS, right? So make a note if you're in animal science and you're interested, you're at a university and you're interested in attending this day, 31st of August, and visit the website for more information. Karla, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Remember, a Student Industry Day on the 31st of August.